What is up, Lsquad? Today I'll be teaching you how to make a paper airplane, and yeah. First you're gonna need a piece of paper, and I'll be teaching you all how to do the steps on how to make it. So wait, hold on. Okay, here is the piece of paper you will be needing for the video. Okay, so first you're gonna want to fold this in half, and you want to keep it tall side up. I think I've made a video on how to make this an exact paper airplane, but it was a little like, I didn't have like a camera or a ring light or anything. Okay. There is a few YouTubers I want to give a shout out at the end of the video. So, and not just my friends, but actual pretty successful YouTubers. Not like Mr. Beast, which I kind of just gave a shout out to him. But, okay. Now that we have folded this, we're gonna open it again. But keep the crease down the middle, and we're gonna want to fold both of the corners to the middle. And make sure you fold this crease very thick, very like down. Okay, now we're gonna do the other side, which it might be like upside down on your screen. So wait, hold on. Okay, I hope you can see my screen, but this is how the paper airplane should look. Now you want to go ahead and fold this crease down. Okay, so now you want to fold these two triangles down, but just to where it's not touching the bottom. Oh, wait, my neato. Okay, so now it should look something like this. Kind of like an envelope. Okay, so now you're gonna fold. Here, wait, let me move my. Okay, so now you're going to want to fold this corner. Oh wait, hold on. This corner down here. So now it should look something a bit like this. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same thing on the other half. Okay, so now it should look something like this. So now we're gonna want to unfold this, and we're gonna want to, this is the tricky part, guys, so make sure you're watching. Now that we have this, we're gonna want to fold this part to here, but don't fold it like this, guys, don't fold it, but you kind of want to move the crease so it looks something like that. And it's okay if y'all pause the video, guys. It's okay if you pause the video, guys, if I'm going too fast. So yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna want to unfold this into this and copy that same exact move. And once y'all get that step down, it'll probably be. So now we're gonna have little crease marks right here. And how do I show y'all guys this? Right here, kind of. Do y'all see like the bending marks right here? So that's what we're going for on both sides. Okay, so now we're gonna wanna fold these crease marks down and repeat on the other side. Now it should look something like this. Now you see this little triangle over here? We're gonna wanna fold this up gently. And then when we fold it up, it should look like this. My ring light is kind of bright, but like that. Okay, so now we're gonna want to flip this paper over, and yeah, it's gonna be blank. And then we want to fold this back part over. But we're gonna bend the whole thing, just like so. Then it should look something like this on both sides. Now the wings are a little bit tricky, so make sure you're following through. Okay, so it should look something like this. Then we're gonna want to fold this part down to this part. Y'all got me, right? So when we do that, it should look like this on one of the sides. And we're gonna do the same thing. Make sure the wings match evenly on where they are. And then should look something like this. And it does curve when you throw it. So let's go test it out, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go show y'all what it looks like when it throws. Oh, by the way, these are my dumplings. I got the golden one. It's kind of small. It's kind of this one. I also like this one, but it has like a few holes in it. And then I got this one. I don't know how real this one is. Most of them are glitter dumplings except this one. This one is my friend's favorite. Then I got basic Nidos. I don't know what this one is. I don't even know if it's a Nido. But yeah. Yeah, I got that Pokemon ball. Here, wait. My setup is kind of messy right now, but this is my setup. Okay, hold on. Alright, let me put the phone down right here. Okay. Okay. Yo, I'm sorry, you can barely see. I can go home, guys, so yeah. I'm walking home right now. Okay guys, we are back at my house. Sorry the video was pretty bad, but it was really windy out. So yeah. Here, wait, hold on, let me put my phone on here. Okay, make sure you guys like and subscribe. Have a great day. Gaming, peace.